So Merriman, just to talk about the filler itself. So it's a non-permanent, so it's not permanent. So a filler that lasts up to 6 to 9 months in the lips itself. In terms of the procedure itself, so what I'll do first up is just numb your lips with some numbing cream. Okay. That will make your lips feel quite tingly. It might feel a bit bigger as well. Yeah, perfect. Beautiful. I'm going to leave you there for a couple of minutes just whilst I get myself ready. You comfortable? Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Thank you. Look away.
Hey, I'll close my eyes.
Close your eyes. Go to your happy place where you feel. Go to Ellie Beach. That place is gorgeous.
Oh, no, beautiful.
It is stunning over there. All right, so a series of injections. They will feel a bit funny and your lips will feel big, but that's just because I'm injecting.
Yep. So, open or close?
Just open it ever so slightly for me. That's wonderful, thank you. Sharp scratches coming through. Well done. Well done. Trust me, I do my own lips, Marima, and in front of the mirror, and I'm always like, oh, what am I doing to myself? But it's worth it. It'll be worth it for sure. Sharp scratch. Well done. Beautiful. So again, just being able to flick the needle around the Cupid's bow keeps that nice, sexy Cupid's bow that we want. Well done. So right now I'm just using the fanning technique, which is using one injection point but going in multiple directions. It's a lot more comfortable for the patient. And it allows you just to spread the product nice and evenly throughout the lower lip. Just going over the borders of the lips to get that nice definition. And then we'll go into the body and do some fanning to get that volume back up. Okay, so what I like to do midway through my treatments is just do a mid-facial assessment just to see how we're going. So we're halfway there with the syringe. So it's always good to ask the patient to do a couple of motions with their mouth. So just look towards you, Marima, and give me a smile. And give me a perfect and a big smiley. Yeah, lovely. So it's great. Well done. So I'm just checking to see where the product is, just to make sure that there's no major lumps. I'll be massaging it right at the end just to smooth it all out and make sure it's nice and smooth and supple. Lovely, and just close your mouth for me. And a smiley. Yeah, and then a big smile, and then a blowy kiss. Beautiful. Look at that kiss, guys. That's very, very nice. Very nice. Show us again your kiss. Woo! Wow, 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 wow. Guys, back off, okay? All right. So what we're going to do now is a little bit of tenting on the lower lip just to even it out and bring it out a little bit. So with this one, we just do some vertical strips, so vertical linear threads. So just open your mouth for me. Well done. And this just helps to roll out that bottom lip. And you can see how the lip has just rolled out a little bit more. Once the inflammation and swelling has gone down, that will soften down as well, and it just give her that nice shape that she deserves on this gorgeous face. All right, so what I'll do now, Marima, is just do a couple of injections into the side of your mouth to help give you some support for your smile. So unfortunately, as we age, we do lose a lot of our fat pads and they get thinner, and gravity pulls everything down. So by injecting a little bit of filler into the oral commissures on both sides of the lips, it helps just to keep it upright, give it that extra support so that we reduce the effects of those marionette lines that can start to performing later on in the future. So again, into the oral commissure, just give it extra support. And usually I put either 0.05 of a mil or 0.1 of a mil. For this case, I'll be doing 0.05 of a mil. And then just squeezing in between my fingers give that extra support. And there we have it. So now it's the most important part, which is the massaging of the lips. This is to help reduce any lumps or bumps that your patient or you may feel after your treatment. And it's also a really nice way of just relaxing after such traumatic experience. And then I'll show you the final result, Miriam. I can't wait to show you. It looks really nice. It looks really good. Okay, so I'm just using some anaesthetic cream just to massage the area. So I'm going to do all the massaging for you, so you don't need to rub or touch your lips at all. So today, just stay away from them. You want to feel them, but try not to as much as possible. It's going to feel a bit funny just going into your mouth. Now I'm just going to shape the Cupid's bow as well. So this is just to make sure we keep that nice V shape of the Cupid's bow. So I hold it nice and still for about 10 seconds. Now, Miriam, you will have some bruising. That is expected, so you can take some arnica tablets over the next couple of days, but it will settle down over the next sort of 4 to 5 days. And as I said, it will get more swollen tomorrow. And if it does feel at all painful, you can take some Panadol or Nurofen if you need to. So just swing your legs over, Miriam, and we'll show you a mirror. Moment of truth. So remember, swelling will go down. I can't wait to show you. This is exciting. I'll save a few pictures and I'll show you them all at the same time. So now I'm just collating the before and after pictures for Marima, and I'm using an app called Treatment Pad, which is great because it gives you instant layouts of your pictures before and afters. And just like that, you can see her pout is a lot bigger. Very exciting. Okay, so let's take a look. Before and after.
Oh, wow.
It's a huge difference, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, so you can even see as well, there is redness, yeah, it's hard to see past the redness, but there are fine lines. We call them smoker's lines or barcodes lines, but which tend to happen. I know you don't smoke, that's why we call them barcodes lines as well. But these happen because we're always using that muscle. So we start to develop these lines, but with lip filler, you can actually eliminate those lines because it just opens it out and spreads over the area. So for you, it has actually reduced them, which is great. And it's giving this nice, I think a lower lip, I think both of it looks good, but your lower lip has really popped out. It's giving some nice definition as well. Really hydrated your lips. It makes you look more youthful too as well. Your gorgeous lips. Look at that kiss. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And of course that will settle down, and then your smile as well. So with your smile previously, your top lip was quite thin and it sort of hid away. It was quite shy, but now it's come out and is saying hello, which looks really nice. Really good, Marima. Gorgeous.
Cool.
Really nice. Really nice lips. Well done. I like the change. I think it's good that you went for this thicker product because it's giving you more volume and hydration as well, because your lips did look quite...
It's taken that scar down.
It has, yeah, absolutely. This scar that you had here, isn't it? It's not even there anymore.
No.
It's magic, yeah. And some fine lines, like we all have these fine lines on our upper lips, but that's all gone as well. It looks really good.
Cool.
I'm excited to see what happens in a couple of weeks' time.
Okay.
When all the bruising settles down and all of the swelling settles as well. Yeah, well done. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.